This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. A true log 4-level lodge positioned about 50 feet from the edge of the deep water on beautiful Lake Blue Ridge. The home has a fabulous open floor plan for family gatherings and events. Multi-level porches and decks, walls of glass to view the water, and U.S. Forestry Service land across the lake. Master on the main, very large common area with space for extra long dining table overlooking the lake, granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, stacked stone fireplaces, 2-car garage with guest quarters above on 1.35 acres. The upper level has a large bedroom, 1 open loft bedroom, and a full bath. The lower level has another large bedroom, bathroom, laundry, and plenty of space for your family to gather. The next level down is set up for storage, equipment room, a new water filtration system, and the perfect spot to store all your water toys. New double-deck dock with extended 50 walkway to dock. The 2-car garage has a full bath, kitchenette, and an open second floor. The dock has a boat lift and 2 jet ski lifts. If you have been dreaming of having a lake home, this is the one for you. For more information,